Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English, one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word for today is contact. It's a B1 level noun, and it means communication or interaction. So, what exactly does contact mean? Well, in simple terms, it refers to the act of getting in touch with someone or something. It can also refer to the state of being in touch. We use contact in many different situations. For example, you might say, "I'll be in contact with you next week," meaning you'll communicate with them. Or, direct contact with the skin can cause irritation, meaning physical touch. Now, let's delve into some synonyms for contact. One word that's quite similar is communication. For example, instead of saying we established contact with the team, you could say we established communication with the team. Another synonym is interaction. Imagine saying, social interaction is important for children's development, which is similar to saying social contact is important for children's development. We also have the word connection. You might say, I lost connection with the internet, instead of I lost contact with the internet, though they have slightly different nuances in this case. Another option is liaison, which usually implies a more formal type of contact. For example, she acts as a liaison between the company and its clients implies she is the point of contact. Finally, consider the word touch, particularly when discussing physical contact. Avoid touch with your eyes after handling chemicals means avoid contact with your eyes after handling chemicals. Now, let's flip the script and look at some antonyms words that mean the opposite of contact. A good antonym is isolation. Prolonged isolation can have negative psychological effects, is the opposite of having contact with others. Another antonym is separation. You might say, the separation of church and state is a fundamental principle, which implies a lack of contact or influence. We can also use the word detachment. For example, her detachment from the situation was unsettling suggests a lack of contact or involvement. Another antonym, depending on the context, is avoidance. The company's avoidance of public contact-fueled rumors implies a deliberate lack of contact. Finally, consider disconnection. For example, the disconnection between the two departments led to inefficiencies, means a lack of contact and coordination. So, how can you use contact in your everyday life? Well, think about the ways you connect with people. You might say, I need to update my contact list. Or, do you have his contact information? When making plans, you could say, let's stay in contact after the conference. In business, you might hear phrases like, he is our primary point of contact, meaning he is the person to talk to. Also, consider phrases like, I'm out of contact, meaning you're unable to be reached, usually due to a lack of phone or internet service. Here are a few more usage examples. Maintain regular contact with your family. She made eye contact with the speaker. The police are trying to make contact with the suspect. I found her contact details online. Ensure you have adequate contact with your supervisor. Limited contact with sunlight can lead to vitamin D deficiency. I made contact with her via email. We lost contact years ago. He is my main contact at the company. Keep in contact. So, to summarize, contact is a B1 level noun that means communication or interaction. We explored synonyms like communication, interaction, connection, liaison, and touch, and antonyms like isolation, separation, detachment, avoidance, and disconnection. We also looked at how contact is used in everyday conversation and common expressions. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of the word contact helpful. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and continue their English language learning journey. Now, I have a little challenge for you. Can you create your own sentence using the word contact? Share your sentence in the comments below the video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.